Welcome to GenkiGrub, an innovative platform that bridges technology and gastronomy. At its heart, GenkiGrub enhances the culinary experiences through personalized recommendation, nutritional insight, and unique flavor pairings. So, what is our problem? Cooking is an art, but for many, it can be challenging. Whether it's adapting recipes for dietary restriction, finding sustainable ingredient option, or simply deciding what to cook based on available pantry items. These tasks can feel overwhelming. Genkai Grub solves these problems by offering an interactive platform that empower users to transform recipes, explore global flavor pairings, and plan meals effortlessly, all without requiring machine learning, ensuring transparency and control. So, who are our end users? Our end users include home cooks, food lovers, and even professionals looking to explore new culinary frontiers. Genkai Grub is for anyone seeking inspiration, education, or ease in the kitchen. So, what are the benefits to the user? With features like interactive recipe transformation, a smart pantry integration, and eco-friendly suggestion, Genkai Grub provides solution tailored to user need, whether it's quick weeknight meal or an elaborate dinner party. So how are we different from other platforms? Unlike existing platform, Genkai Graph emphasizes manual control, cultural context, and sustainability. Where other uses opaque algorithm, we offer user an empowering and creative experience. Here we have provided some websites with similar concept like us and how they are different from us, like All Recipes, Epicurious, and Yumily. With all the tasks, it will be pretty hard, so we will be using recipe database and flavor database APIs. Thank you all for watching the video. The video is made by the team CP0.